Wesley from Nantech Power Systems Private Limited. This is my second presentation. We are into the business of manufacturing and trading online UPS systems and other power conditioning equipments. So we are in this business for the past 18 years, and we have two manufacturing units, one at Varasavakkam and another one at Pammal. We have three major roles in our business. Number one is manufacturing. Number two is trading of other brands of equipments. Number three is after sales service support. First, let us discuss about the product which we are dealing. These are the products which we are manufacturing and trading. UPS systems, servo voltage stabilizers, inverters, ultra isolation transformers, automatic power factor controller, active harmonic filters, constant voltage transformer and batteries. These are the products which we are manufacturing as well as we are dealing. And first let us discuss about the product which we are manufacturing. This is the first product which we are manufacturing. It's a prime product, UPS systems. There are two types of UPS systems. One is line interactive as well as online UPS system. In line interactive UPS system, the range is from 600 VA to maximum 2 kVA, and it can be used in small offices and in medium industries. In online UPS system, there are three categories: single phase to single phase, and three phase to single phase, three phase to three phase output systems, and it ranges from 1 kVA to 1000 kVA. It is used in small and medium enterprises, educational institutions, hospitals, IT and data centers, and in industries, etc. The prime features and the main features in our UPS systems are, our UPS systems are highly reliable one and efficient one. The overall efficiency of the UPS is 93%, having latest technology at par with the industry. And remotely we can monitor the features like output parameters and input parameters, as well as we can see the parameters in the LCD display also. We have a static bypass operation at the failure of UPS. And the technology which we are adapting is the DSP control, digital signal processing, which we are adapting. The second main product which we are doing is the servo controlled voltage stabilizers. There are two types of servo voltage stabilizer, air cooled and another one is oil cooled servo voltage stabilizer. In air cooled servo voltage stabilizers, it's having two ranges. One is single phase to single phase, three phase to three phase output. It ranges from 1 kVA to 75 kVA. The cooling system which we are adapting is natural air cooled. As well as in the oil cooled servo voltage stabilizer, it ranges from 3 phase to 3 phase, and 6 kVA to 500 kVA it's ranging from. And the cooling system which we are adapted is oil cooled type. All the transformers and variac will be immersed in the oil, and it's used in industries and in bigger offices. கொஞ்சம்தான். What is the reason to purchase from Nantech? So why we are being in the industry for the past 18 years? The number one reason is product quality and reliability, and number two is good after sales support, service network all over Tamil Nadu, and the mean time to repair MTTR will be less than 6 hours. Our equipments are with latest technology. And where we can market our products? Where the site with high fluctuations, a site requires backup power, where to avoid the data losses. These are the three areas we can able to pitch our products. The third high-end product which we are dealing now is the active harmonic filters. It ranges from 30 amps to 1200 amps. Do you have any idea about sine waveform? No idea.
No chance.
Little bit. This is called sine waveform. Okay. The time division between it will be 20 milliseconds. Normally in India it will be 50 hertz. F is equal to 180.
Super, excellent, wonderful.
The voltage which we are getting from TNEB, Tangerco, is a pure sine waveform. Okay, this is the waveform which we are getting. This is a HT transformer. See, might be 11 kVA, 22, 33, 110 kVA. It will be stepped down to 415 or 433 volt. And the waveform which we are generating is a sine waveform. But before giving the load, it will be a sine waveform. So loads like drives, furnaces, rectifiers, CNC machines, fluorescent lamps, ACs, welding machines, it will all develop harmonic current as noises. It is an harmonic pollution and it will affect the waveform. The waveform will become like this. It will modulate the waveform. So that's what we are installing an equipment called active harmonic filter. This filter, after doing this filter operations, the waveform will be tuned like this. So, see, recently we have conducted a study at ITC Center, and the harmonic level previously it was 20%. After installing the active harmonic filter, the harmonic level has been reduced to 2%. And now they were free from penalty class. As per IEEE standard, the DHDI level, that is a total harmonic distortion, current harmonics is less than 8%. And what are the advantages when we are using this active harmonic filter? Number one is it reduces heat in all electronic equipments as well as in drives also, and particularly it reduces hunting in DG systems, generators, reduces heating of cables and motors, reduces the demand, and as well as avoiding penalty from TNEB. And the second role which we are doing is the trading of other brands of systems. We are the authorized partners with Immersion, APC, Socomac, Numeric, as well as we are the authorized partners of active harmonic filters of P2 Power and Immersion. The third main role which we are doing is the customer support department, and this we have a well qualified engineers for after sales department, and as well as we undertake AMCs of other brands of UPS systems. We can repair other brands of UPS systems at any conditions. Even we can give higher UPS under monthly basis from 3 kVA to 100 kVA under monthly basis. And that's all about my products. And if you have any enquiries related to this, kindly give referrals. And I request all my members to take a piece of paper and
Give me reference.
At least 5.
no, I need 2 of your HT clients as referral. HT clients means high tension.
Selvaraj is high tension.
Thank you, thank you.
Selvaraj is hypertension.
Any
Well done.
questions?
Super.
Any questions for Wesley?
One more glass of water.
Next one.
Please supply water.
Sir,
Mr. Parliament will take the questions for Wesley.
question Hemaka. Okay.
எல்லாருக்கும் நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.